welcome YouTube viewers to Laurel Smith of Chicago, Illinois, home video and artworks creation. The 1, 2, 3 pyramid grid actually uncovers the outer space corners of the Ethiopian cross, Dome of the Rock outer wall image. So here we see the National Space Administration SOHO satellite imagery, orbiting black cube image of New Jerusalem images. So there's an orbiting cube structure of New Jerusalem the size of our moon in orbit around our sun. It's connected to the Ethiopian cross-shaped building structure located in modern Lalibela. Wall area 8 elongated here to African Ancient of Days. When we place the 45 feet distance of the wall area 8 elongated here to African Ancient of Days to the Ethiopian cross base. Now when we superimpose the modern Lalibela Ethiopian cross shaped building structure and its wall area 8 elongated here to African Ancient of Days place, up on the Dome of the Rock outer wall, we have uncovered an African Yeshua with a long watermelon type head 45 feet away from the Ethiopian cross. Now remember, the vertical section of the Ethiopian cross and the horizontal section of the Ethiopian cross, when you look up from the center of the Ethiopian cross, if you were standing in it, okay, you're going to look towards the east. Now when you look towards the east, you're looking at the northeast corners of the vertical and horizontal Ethiopian cross. If you're standing in the center of an Ethiopian cross that you've drawn on the ground. If you stand in the center of an Ethiopian cross that you have drawn on the ground, look towards the north and east, you're going to see a triangle 1 on the vertical and the triangle 2 on the horizontal end of the cross. Now here's where the Dome of the Rock outer wall central square comes into play. The central square fits inside of the Ethiopian cross. Now let's count the corners when you stand in the center of the cross that you've drawn on the ground. You count 1, 2, 3 triangles. And guess what? These 1, 2, 3 triangles represents the 1, 2, 3 Giza pyramids of Isaiah 19:19 scriptural reference of the pyramid complex in North Africa. Okay, now since the 1, 2, 3 Giza pyramids appear on the left, right, upper side of the Ethiopian cross corners, and then the lower left, right side of the Ethiopian cross corners. So the Ethiopian cross that appears on the Dome of the Rock outer wall connects to Isaiah 19:19 Giza pyramids. Now, at the 45 feet away from the 1, 2, 3 triangles represents the atmosphere above the North African pyramids of Khufu. So if you're standing in North Africa upon the Giza pyramid complex, horizontally look straight at the 1, 2, 3 Giza pyramids, you're going to see 1, 2, 3 triangles. The elongated headed African Ancient of Days returns to the Isaiah 19:19 Giza pyramid in an inverted pyramid shaped UFO. Now, it's an inverted pyramid triangle. So thank you for viewing these great archaeological, theological, and astronomical discoveries of Laurel Smith of Chicago, Illinois. For more information, send your emails to laurelsmith@att.net. Thank you very much.